Welcome. If you want to connect your Huawei FreeBuds Pro to the Apple Watch Series 3, at the first you have to open charging case of your FreeBuds Pro, and then we have to go on our Apple Watch on the settings. Then we have to move for the Bluetooth settings, and we have to wait until our FreeBuds pops on the available devices list. So just wait, and if it is not going to happen, we are going to use the pairing button on our FreeBuds. So let's wait a few seconds and let's see what is going to happen. As you can see, they are not going to pops, so we have to grab our charging case, and on the right edge you can find right here the button that you have to click and hold until this indicator blinks on the white color. So click, hold, take a look on the list on the Apple Watch. It is blinking, so we can release the key. And as you can see right now, they pop on the list, so we can simply click to click to pair, and as you can see, the status has changed to the connected. So that's how we can pair Huawei FreeBuds Pro with Apple Watch Series 3. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.